Welcome to Samarth Electronics. In this video, we will guide you through the complete unboxing, setup, operation, features and support information for your ultrasonic cleaner exactly as per the official operating manual. Inside the package, you will find ultrasonic cleaner unit user manual, stainless steel lid, mains power cable, stainless steel basket, ball valve. Please check all components and ensure there is no transport damage. If any damage is found, do not power on the unit. Contact your supplier immediately. Let's look at the key product features of your Samarth Electronics ultrasonic cleaner. Cavitation resistant stainless steel tank, hygienic stainless steel outer casing, high performance piezoelectric transducer system, degas function. A dedicated degas mode quickly removes trapped air from fresh solutions. Quick drain valve, plug-in mains supply, simple connection with a detachable power cord, LED display for set and actual values, user-friendly operating panel, robust plastic carrying handles. How ultrasonic cleaning works? Ultrasonic cleaning uses high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic cavitation bubbles. These bubbles implode with force, releasing energy that cleans surfaces, grooves, and tiny cavities that traditionally cleaning cannot reach. Pre-operation precautions. Drain and replace the cleaning liquid when contaminated. Always use a basket. Never place samples directly on the tank bottom. Unplug the unit before draining. Allow only trained specialists to perform repairs. Let's move to the step-by-step operating procedure. Step 1. Fill the tank with liquid up to 3/4 of the tank level. Step 2. Connect the unit to a 230 volt alternating current, 10 ampere single phase stabilized power supply with proper earthing. Step 3. Power on. Step 4. Degassing. If you filled fresh liquid, press the degas button to remove air bubbles. If reusing old liquid, skip this step. Step 5. Press set to adjust temperature and time. Use up and down keys to edit values. Press heater on to start heating. Step 6. Insert sample. Place samples into the basket, never directly on the tank floor. Step 7. Set timer. Timer range is from 1 to 99 minutes. Step 8. Press ultra on to start the sonication cycle. Step 9. If required, press PSP on to activate pulse sweep power. Step 10. After cycle completion, remove the sample safely. Step 11. Power off. Switch off the unit using the main power switch. Post-operation precautions. Always unplug the unit before draining the solution. Drain the bath liquid before it becomes too contaminated. Then clean the tank and refill it with a fresh solution. Operating panel keys and displays. Time display. Shows time range 1 to 99 minutes. Displays both set and actual time. Temperature display. Shows ultrasonic bath temperature, ambient to 60 degrees Celsius. Displays both target and actual values. Up-down keys. Used to increase or decrease time and temperature values. Holding the key increases speed. Ultrasonic on key. Starts and stops sonication. Timer begins automatically when sonication starts. Degas key. Activates automatic degassing for 5 minutes. 5 seconds on and 5 seconds off. Set and actual key. Set mode. Edit temperature and time. Actual mode. View actual running values. PSP on key. Turns pulse sweep power on and off. Heater on key. Turns heater on and off. Technical details. View the charts on screen. The machine's technical specifications, including model capacity, operating frequency, ultrasonic power, heater power and tank dimensions, are displayed here on screen for your reference. Machine diagrams. You can also see the machine wiring diagrams for ultrasonic bath models. These diagrams are shown exactly as provided in the official manual. Troubleshooting. A detailed troubleshooting chart is provided in the manual, covering issues like no display, no heating, no sonication, fuse replacement steps, This will help you quickly diagnose common issues. Warranty information. Your ultrasonic cleaner comes with a 12-month warranty against manufacturing defects. Warranty terms require proper usage as instructed in the manual. Please note, using ice or ice bags in the ultrasonic machine voids the warranty. Service and technical support. For technical support, spare parts, repairs, or further assistance, contact the Samarth Electronics team. Service is available from Monday to Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Thank you for choosing Samarth Electronics. Your precision, reliability, and performance starts here.